Hi guys, it's me continuing to gain weight. Oh, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry it looks literally like I'm crying. I got a new little ring light and it looks good. I just spent like 3 minutes looking into it on the brightest setting, which was a mistake. And so now I am probably literally crying. So we might just have to deal with these eyes for the rest of this video. So I was initially gonna come on and talk about what sex is like in transition and if the hormones had changed anything and what it feels like and all that shit. But then I was like, you know what would be better if I talk about myself, right? So today I'm mostly just gonna be talking about myself because that is what I do best. First of all, I want to say I am appreciative for all the people who have been subscribing. I really, really love y'all. Y'all keep me young. You keep me fresh. Not that I'm aging. I know it doesn't look like I'm aging. But she might be aging and y'all keep me young. So I really, really appreciate that because it's perhaps something I'm clinging to. We would have to get a psychological assessment on that, but who knows? And you know what? I also just wanted to address the haters. I wanted to take some time and to address the haters. So I'm going to do that right now. I am going to take some time. First of all, I would like to say, haters, fuck you. Second of all, I would say, I don't like you. Okay. I don't like a hater, and I don't think haters are helpful. So that's really what I have to say. I think that was pretty critical, but also like being supportive in a way that are like, you know, like not being like too aggressive. So maybe let's cut it there. So for the remainder of the video, it is going to be about myself. We're going to do a little question and answer. Seeing as I have little engagements on social media, I haven't asked anyone for questions. I am simply going to make them up myself. So let me think. Hello. Where were you born? I don't feel comfortable answering that. Sorry, that's like too much information. Next. What is your favorite lip color? Oh my god, actually, I love a nude. I love a pinky peach. And I love a very light orange. Okay, next question. How do I deal with a hater? Oh, wow. Okay. Well, we kind of just covered that, but okay. I deal with a hater online. If it's getting really serious, I click block. Sometimes I will try to engage them in a conversation, mostly just so I can screenshot it later and then send it to all of my friends. Otherwise, I will just, if it's in real life, sometimes I do the same thing and then I tell my friends about it later. Yeah, so sometimes I engage and then sometimes I'm just like really... Okay, one more question. Let's see, there's just so many questions here. It's like really hard to like filter through. It's like crazy. I'm like, oh my God, that's like overwhelming. One more question. Will your boyfriend ever be in a video with you? Oh my God, that's a great question. Thank you. Thank you guys for asking. These are really thoughtful questions. Yes, he will be. He's agreed to be in a video. So that's coming up. He has agreed. He doesn't know what we're talking about, which I'll probably tell him the day of. But we're really gonna get into some deep shit, which is what I love to do, right? So that's it, people. I really just wanted to come on and say hi, address some things, and really, more than anything, if we're being honest, test out my new ring light because she's popping. Let me show you. Can you see it? Ooh, I'm not wearing pants.